بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Eid Wanaagsan.
The Somali President, His Excellency Mohamed Abdulaahi Farmaajo, congratulated all Somali citizens and the Islamic nation around the world on the occasion of the blessed Eid Al-Adha. His Excellency, the Somali President said, "I congratulate all Somalis and Muslims around the world on this auspicious occasion, which is a major part of our religion and culture." The President added, "These holy days of Eid Al-Adha are days of goodness and worship. It is where Muslims perform Hajj ceremonies, although this year many Muslims were unable to perform Hajj due to health issues related to COVID-19 disease. Therefore, I urge the Somali people, especially the Somali pilgrims who were planning to perform Hajj this year, to exchange and increase alms and help the poor, which is one of the best ways to get closer to God." His Excellency the Somali President said, "I extend my congratulations to all our brave armed forces who stand day and night to defend their homeland, and especially to our heroes who are spending these blessed days on the battlefield and in defense centers." In conclusion, the Somali President called on the Almighty God to make Somalia and all Islamic peoples enjoy security, prosperity and a comfortable life. The Somali President also called on the Almighty God to have mercy on all our people who lost their lives in the defense of our country.
dalkeenna ciid wanaagsan ciid mubaarak wasalaamu calaykum waraxmat ullaahi wabarakaatu.